Alright, this will be for the con assignment, complete solutions to two variable equations. So they give us the equations here with an x and a y, okay, and they want us to complete the missing value in the solution to the equation. Now remember, when they give us coordinates, the first number is the x and the second number is the y. So this is x comma y. Alright, so the x is -3 and the y we have to solve for. So you just want to take the -3 and plug it in. Alright, so I'm going to rewrite this equation. We have y minus 4 equals -2 times x plus 3. But we said x is -3, so I'm going to put a -3 plus 3. Okay? -3 plus 3 is just 0. And -2 times 0 is just 0. So we have y minus 4 equals 0. Solving for y, the opposite of -4 is +4. So we just add the 4 to both sides. Bring down the y. -4 plus 4 cancels. Bring down the equal sign, and 0 plus 4 is just 4. So we enter y equals 4 in the box. Alright, so I think these are all going to be the same. Okay, remember this is x comma y. So y is going to be -6, and we're looking to solve for x. Alright, so I'm going to rewrite this equation. We have 4x plus y, but we said y is -6, so I'm going to do plus -6 equals 10. Okay, and we want to have letters on one side and numbers on the other. So the opposite of -6 is +6. Alright, you bring down the 4x. -6 plus 6 is just 0, that cancels. And 10 plus 6 is 16. Okay, so here we have 4x. The opposite of x times 4 is divided by 4. You do that to both sides. 4's cancel. X equals 16 over 4, which is just 4. So you take the 4 and you put it in the box for the x. Alright, one more. Again, this is going to be x comma y. So the -5 is your x, and we need to solve for y. So we want to plug in x equals -5. So rewriting this equation, in place of x, I'm going to put -5 minus 5y equals -15. Alright, we want letters on one side and numbers on the other. So the opposite of negative 5 is positive 5. And you do that to both sides. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0. That cancels. Bring down your negative 5y. Bring down your equal sign. And negative 15 plus 5 is negative 10. Okay, if you can't do it in your head, use the calculator. And here we have y times negative 5. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 5. Here it cancels. And we're left with y. Negative 10 over negative 5. Well, remember, two negatives when you're dividing, it just becomes positive, right? So that's 10 over 5. And, of course, 10 divided by 5 is just 2. So you take y equals 2, enter that in the box. Alright, so they're going to give you either x or y. Okay, whatever they give you, you plug it into the equation, and then you solve for the missing variable.